Welcome everyone. Today we are diving into the world of large language models or LLMs, a type of AI that's changing how we interact with technology. Imagine having a robot friend that can write stories, answer tricky questions, or even help you learn a new language. That's what LLMs can do. They are trained on massive amounts of text like books, articles, and websites to understand and generate human-like language. By the end of the session, you will know how they work, where they are used, and why we need to use them responsibly. Let's get started. Let's break it down. LLMs are like super smart language students. They learn by reading tons of text data, reading millions of books or websites. This training helps them pick up patterns like grammar rules or how to tell a joke. They use something called deep learning, which is like a brain with layers of neurons to get better at tasks like translating languages, summarizing text, or even writing poems. For example, if you ask an LLM to write a birthday card, it can generate something heartfelt, almost like human. Let's meet some famous LLMs. GPT-4 by OpenAI. This is the creative genius. It writes its essay, answers open-ended questions, and even crafts stories. 2. BERT. This one's detective. It's great at understanding context, like figuring out if a review says this movie was lit, is positive or sarcastic. 3. T5. The Swiss Army knife. It converts any text into a text output, like turning a French paragraph into English or summarizing a long article. LLMs don't just parrot words, they understand context. Imagine you're texting a friend, "I'm freezing," and LLM knows you might need a sweater, not an ice pack. They can also mimic writing style. For example, they can write a formal email or a TikTok caption with emojis. This is why they are used for things like drafting legal documents and creating fun social media posts. Where do we see LLMs in real life? Chatbots, the friendly helpers on websites that answer your questions, content creation, writing blog posts, ads, or even video scripts. Automated support, handling repetitive tasks like answering fax or generating reports. But LLMs aren't perfect. 2 big challenges. Computational power. Training them requires supercomputers, expensive and energy-heavy. Bias. Since they learn from human text, they can pick up biases. For example, if an LLM reads mostly male-authored science articles, it might assume scientists are always men. The future is exciting. LLMs could personalize learning material just for you, become cheaper and more accessible, understand sarcasm or cultural slang better. Imagine an AI tutor that adapts to your learning style, or a translator that captures jokes perfectly. With great power comes great responsibility. We need transparency, knowing what data trains the AI, fairness, avoiding harmful stereotypes, accountability, fixing mistakes if the AI spreads misinformation. To wrap up, LLMs are revolutionizing how we communicate, create, and solve problems. They are powerful tools, but we must use them wisely. As future innovators, you might even build the next GPT-5.